Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Brigitte and today I will make decoration for Christmas tree. 6 mini Christmas wreath variation to use in a Christmas tree or on a gift wrapping. I start by forming a cycle with a 25 gauge metal wire. Then I stick a ribbon of plastic flower on it. Here I add a silver ribbon that will be used to hang my mini Christmas wreath. This is the base for all my mini Christmas wreath. For my first wreath, I add pink sequins in the shape of a flower on the top of the wreath and the center of each silver flower. For this one, I use gold micro beads that I stick to the center of each silver flower. For that one, I use red pearls that I stick to the center of each silver flower. Now here I use a regular purple sequins that I stick to the center of each silver flower. And here I use a gold pearl that I stick to the center of each silver flower. Now for the last one, I use a butterfly to which I had purple sparkle powder that I stick to the top of the wreath. If you like this video, click like, share it with your friend and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video. Thank you.